All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Like I said yesterday, I had to finish up these Peckerheads. Well, one of them yesterday, but I went ahead and made up all 4 of these. There's 4 identical ones just like this. Had to stuff all the wire nuts inside the little Peckerhead box, junction box. Also forgot to take a few pictures of other things I did, so there's a few things missing. But anyways, worked on these little stubbing the wire inside these little junction corners. I'm not even sure what these are for, but it was a pain, but I got it figured out, and once I got the first one down, I figured out how to do the rest of them, so it wasn't too bad, but not sure how to terminate these, so they'll figure that out later at a later date. I believe I will be back at this job site on Monday, but I will keep you posted on that. I'm not sure 100%. Went ahead and stubbed this one giant wire in the bottom of this Honeywell box right here, the 1-inch on the left, and then also went ahead downstairs and made up this little motor right here, maybe not a motor, but something. Made this up, landed these wires inside this box. Sorry, forgive me, I don't know what I'm talking about at the moment, but I think this was some kind of motor right here. So I went ahead and stubbed the wire in, landed the wires with some eye-hooks, crimp-on eye-hooks, and then grounded it out, and then put the cover back on. And then you will see here, this is the wire coming off, trying to make it nice and clean. Just got a whole bunch of zip ties to keep it nice and clean. Then also coming down the tray cable here on the right side. You will see that here more in a second. But anyways, stubbed about 10 of these wires in the bottom of this other control cabinet here, which you will see here in about 10 seconds. But here is the bottom of the tray cable. Zip tied that together, keeping everything nice and tight and clean. And then here is what I was talking about, taking all these 10 wires in the bottom of this control cabinet, keeping it nice and nice, just how the guy wanted it, just a nice big old loop going straight down and back up. That pretty much wraps up my day. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and sorry for all the haters out there. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Sorry for the late upload. I decided to drive home instead of making the video before I left the job site to drive home. So anyways, home safely now. So now I have my 3-day weekend, which is nice. I'll try to get another video for you guys out tomorrow. It just really depends on what time I get home. I'm going to get my car maintenance done, which I put off for like months and months, or 6 months or whatever. So going to get my Corvette maintenance, which includes rear differential fluid change, brake fluid change, all this other fluid change, all that stuff like that. So anyways, going to get that done. I don't know, I'm not sure how long that's going to take, but I'm gonna hang out at my friend's until it's done. Anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Don't forget to comment. I'd love to get to know you guys in the comment section. Thanks for 4,900. I'm excited. We'll have another giveaway at 5,000 here real soon, within the next few days. What else do we got? I think that pretty much wraps it up. Hopefully you guys have a great weekend. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And I was going to also say, a lot of you guys were commenting saying that I sounded sick, but I am not sick. It's just that after I eat food or brush my teeth or eat any hot food or hot liquids or anything like that, my nose starts to run. It's been happening for like 10 years. I don't know why. It's just some genetic thing. I don't know. But anyways, that just happened. My nose pretty much runs all the time. So I'm not sick. But anyways, I appreciate the support and thanks for the concern. Anyways, that's gonna do it. Like I said, try to get you guys out a video tomorrow, or maybe just go make one right here real quick for tomorrow, in case I run out of time tomorrow. So try to get you guys another demonstration video on the wall in the garage. So anyways, that should do it. Might do a live stream here soon, but thanks for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Like and subscribe. Peace out.